Hello everyone, my name is Lopai and I know it's been a hot minute since the last video. I apologize. Life's been keeping me busy, but I'm proud to say that I'm once more a student, and this time studying animation and game. Anyway, let's get into the video. Today I want to show you how you can create shortcuts the easy and simple way, but also a more advanced way. I'm going to show you how I set up my custom sculpting shortcuts, which allow me to simply, with a shortcut, move, rotate and scale my sculpt without having to use these actual brushes here, these tool brushes. So the easiest way to create a new shortcut is you find a menu item of whatever you want to do. Say for example, the subdivide menu item. You just right click on it and then say assign shortcut. So in this case, I'm gonna set it to a macro key out of my keyboard, which is Shift Control F7. And if I press Shift Control F7 now, you can see that it executed this command. Now this is the simple way, but how do we do the advanced way? Head over to Edit, Preferences, and then to Key Map. In here, you can look for a specific shortcut that already exists by name or by key binding. In this case, I'm just going to look up for Shift F7, and you can see here, indeed, the subdivide now has a keyboard shortcut of Shift Control F7. And in here, I can also remove it again, remove the key map item. Now it's gone. I can show you how I added the custom Sculpt shortcuts that I use. I simply went to 3D view, then under Sculpt, Sculpt Global. And if I scroll all the way down, you can see here, I have the move, resize and rotate shortcut. These are my custom shortcuts. And how you add a new shortcut is pretty simple. You just click on the add new to whichever part of Blender you want to add a shortcut to. And you can see that this has a little input field and then the shortcut you want to press and shortcut modifiers. So in this case, if I wanted to scale my model, I can type in resize, and you can see here I have a couple options: node resize, transform resize, and I believe in this case it was transform resize. And all these options are currently grayed out. That might be due that this is technically an edit mode shortcut and not a sculpt mode shortcut. However, you have seen before, it does indeed work in sculpt mode. So now I can set a custom shortcut. I'm going to use Sim1, F7, Shift, Control, and this should now work with my shortcut key. And indeed, I press my macro key and it does work. So either you can try to find the field just by scrolling through all of them, or you can simply head over to the command you want to copy. In my case, I looked under the edit mode shortcuts and I found them here. You can see the move is transform.translate, resize, transform.resize, and rotate is transform.rotate. And again, to show that they work, I'm in sculpt mode and I'm pressing S. It is scaling, I'm pressing Shift R, it is rotating, and I'm pressing Shift G, and it is moving. I'm not using R and G regularly because G is for the grab brush and R is for the remesh resolution. Make sure that once you have set up all your shortcuts, you can create a new preference file. And simply click on the plus sign here, give it a name, and then click on OK. And it's going to be added here to all the other shortcut preferences. If you want to use these preferences on another machine, you can simply export them, save them on your file system, transfer that file to your other machine, and then import the settings there the same way. If you are downloading a major new update of Blender and it's asking you to load the settings from previous Blender version, these configurations will also be taken over. Though it is important to note that sometimes shortcuts do break. Either the Python command has been renamed, or the functionality has been changed, or maybe a new shortcut has been added that is overwriting your old shortcut. So it is necessary to kind of check what custom shortcuts you have added, and if they still work, maybe you'll have to go in and tweak them, edit them. That can happen, just a little heads up. And also, if Blender has added a new shortcut, it can also happen that your own personal shortcut is overwriting the new one. Just be aware of that. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was informative for you and that you learned something new. Hope you enjoyed shortcuts, and I hope you didn't miss me for too long. I will get back into more regular monthly uploads, but if you want to stay up to date on my live streams on the game I'm currently working on, then please feel free to join Discord. Link is in the description. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. See you next time. Bye bye.